Electric spin scrubbers are innovative cleaning devices designed to simplify and revolutionize your cleaning routine. These handy gadgets are equipped with a powerful motor and rotating scrubbing heads, making them ideal for tackling stubborn dirt, grime, and stains on various surfaces. The magic of electric spin scrubbers lies in their versatility. Whether you're cleaning bathroom tiles, kitchen countertops, or outdoor patio furniture, these devices can handle it all. They come with interchangeable brush heads suitable for different surfaces, from gentle bristles for delicate tasks to tougher options for heavy-duty cleaning. These cordless devices offer the freedom to move around without being tethered to an outlet, thanks to their rechargeable batteries. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, and the extended reach allows you to clean hard-to-reach corners and crevices effortlessly. Say goodbye to hours of scrubbing and sore muscles. Electric spin scrubbers are a time-saving and efficient solution, making your cleaning chores a breeze and leaving your home sparkling clean with minimal effort. Hi! Delve into fascinating insights about electric spin scrubbers, reveal compelling discoveries, and access comprehensive evaluations of premium options. Stay informed with detailed assessments of the market's finest offerings. In our thorough assessments, SAPANA emerges as a strong contender, ranking 5th among electric spin scrubbers. What sets it apart is its high-performance shower scrubber motor, boasting a 2,500 mAh lithium battery and an impressive rotational speed of 400 RPM, surpassing the average for similar motors. It offers 2 spin speed modes to cater to various electric cleaning brush needs and includes a set of gloves and a holder to catch the stick. The SAPANA IPX5 electric scrubber comes complete with an adapter and a generous set of 8 replacement brush heads, each designed for different cleaning scenarios to tackle tough stains effectively. With a 23.33 mm diameter and adjustable lengths ranging from 12 inches without rods to 43.33 inch and 54 with adjustable rods, it offers versatility in reaching difficult spots. Remarkably, this floor scrubber provides a remarkable 90 minutes of continuous operation on a single charge. Cleaning the scrubber is a breeze. Avoid submerging it entirely in water. Instead, simply remove the brush head for washing. You can also apply detergent to stains on tiles, windows, and floors, making it an ideal choice for bathroom cleaning. By opting for an electric scrubber, you'll minimize the need for kneeling, bending, and excessive effort, enhancing your cleaning experience and overall quality of life. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. Securing an impressive 5th place in our assessments, the Leebein brand has firmly established itself as a key player in the electric spin scrubber market. The cleaner scrubber boasts a versatile feature set, with 3 rotating speeds catering to different cleaning needs. Gear 1, 260 RPM, is designed for delicate surfaces like leather or wood furniture. Gear 2, 360 RPM, handles regular cleaning tasks, and Gear 3, 460 RPM, tackles stubborn stains effectively. These speeds are carefully calibrated to prevent random splashing during cleaning, ensuring a hassle-free experience. One of its standout features is the retractable stainless steel handle, adjustable from 12 inches to 45 inches. This makes it perfect for those with backaches or when reaching high areas is a challenge. You no longer need to climb onto counters, chairs, or step ladders to access high spots above cabinetry or doors. Alternatively, you can use it without the extension handle for easier handling. The Leebein cleaner scrubber comes complete with 8 replaceable brushes, each designed for specific cleaning tasks, from concave surfaces to tile floors, grout, and even car polishing. Its advanced 3000 mAh battery offers up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning on just a 3-hour charge, and the LED screen displays the battery status, so you'll never be caught off guard by a low battery. Enjoy efficient and effortless cleaning with Leebein's electric spin scrubber. Jorking has proudly secured a well-deserved third place in our rankings, solidifying its position as an industry trailblazer in the realm of electric spin scrubbers. The Jorking electric spin scrubber set includes a remarkable assortment of 8 interchangeable brush heads, meticulously designed for diverse cleaning tasks, covering shower bathrooms, bathtub, tile floors, stovetops, car wheels, room floors, windows, and various other cleaning areas. This versatile set ensures all your cleaning needs are met. In 2023, Jorking introduced an upgraded electric spin scrubber, making significant enhancements in battery life, IPX7 waterproofing, and overall performance. This comprehensive update not only saves time and effort but also infuses an element of enjoyment into your cleaning tasks. The bathroom electric spin scrubber is ingeniously designed for adaptability, with an extendable length of up to 43.3 inches. Furthermore, you can remove the rod to transform it into a 12-inch handheld electric cleaning brush scrubber, facilitating easy cleaning of your bathtub, tile floors, and ceilings. Offering 3 selectable speeds, 420 RPM, 360 RPM, 260 RPM, the Jorking Power Scrubber, coupled with high-quality brush head fibers, effortlessly erases stains and dirt, thanks to its robust 420 RPM motor. Moreover, Jorking's electric cleaning brush incorporates an LED digital display showcasing battery usage, rotation speed, and a child lock feature. Impressively, it includes a voice broadcast function, keeping you informed about the electric scrubber's current operating status. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. Leebein has secured an impressive second place ranking in our evaluations, pushing the boundaries of innovation with their state-of-the-art electric spin scrubbers. These remarkable cleaning tools are equipped with a 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery, incorporating built-in leakage protection technology for safe charging and uninterrupted operation. With a full charge in just 3 to 5 hours, they can work continuously for up to 90 minutes, ensuring your cleaning tasks are completed efficiently. The Leebein electric cleaning spin scrubber boasts speeds of 400 and 480 rotations per minute, combined with a 360 degrees intelligent rotation feature, reducing cleaning efforts by half. Being cordless and lightweight, it offers exceptional maneuverability, allowing you to clean every corner of your home effortlessly. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to multitasking while cleaning. The kit includes 5 replaceable brush heads, tailored to various cleaning areas in kitchens and bathrooms, such as bathtubs, kitchen surfaces, grills, stove tops, sinks, floors, grout, and more. Its user-friendly design eliminates the need for complex assembly, and its sealed construction prevents water seepage. Moreover, it features an automatic shut-off function when excessive pressure is applied, safeguarding your floors and bathtubs from scratches. With this electric shower bathroom scrubber, you can easily remove stubborn stains, significantly reducing your cleaning time from hours to just minutes. Its lightweight and cordless nature make it accessible even for children to use comfortably. Leebein's electric spin scrubbers redefine home cleaning, making it more efficient, enjoyable, and hassle-free. Leebein stands as a paragon of unwavering dedication to excellence, evident in their exceptional electric spin scrubber solutions, which underscore their unyielding commitment to innovation. Leebein's electric spin scrubber kit comprises 8 interchangeable cleaning brushes tailored to a wide array of cleaning scenarios. Among these brushes are the flat brush, ideal for surfaces like tile floors, walls, and pools, the corner brush, perfect for tackling grout, faucets, and edges, the cloth brush, designed for wooden floors and furniture, and the sponge, geared towards window cleaning. Remarkably, these versatile brush heads even allow you to polish and wax your car. Leebein's commitment to user convenience shines through with the integration of USB-C fast charge technology and a battery-level display function. This ensures you never have to fret about running out of power. With just 3 hours of fast charging, the scrubber can provide an impressive 90 minutes of continuous operation. The Leebein shower scrubber is a game changer, sparing you from the laboriousness of traditional household cleaning methods. With the telescopic extension rod, you can adjust the spin scrubber's length from 12 inches up to 54 inches, facilitating the cleaning of hard-to-reach places without requiring you to bend or kneel. Bid farewell to the strain on your back and knees with this modern cleaning solution. Furthermore, the scrubber's highly sealed design protects it from water damage, allowing you to wash it directly under the faucet, making maintenance a breeze. Leebein's electric spin scrubber redefines home cleaning, making it more efficient, comfortable, and convenient. Your insights on electric spin scrubbers are immensely valuable to us. Please take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments section. Your active engagement greatly supports our mission, and your contributions are vital to our success. Thank you for your input and participation.